Alright guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can get a private server link in Roblox. So first go to the home page of Roblox, click on the three lines in the top left corner, and then right here we wanna select inventory. So just click on inventory. Now here, if we scroll down, we should see private servers near the end, and just hover over private servers and select my private servers. So after our private servers have been loaded, we can select whichever one we want to get a link for. So I'm just going to click on this one that I created recently. And then once we have entered the private server page, we want to scroll down until we see these three dots right here. So just click on them, select configure. And if you scroll all the way down, you should see this private server link, and we can just generate a link. So just click on this button right here called generate. And now we can copy this link by pressing on these two sheets of paper like so, and we can just copy it. So hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it was, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.